Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this fresh trade I just took in. This is a 2021 Bennington 25 RX Sport, guys. Great boat, great condition. You'll see it's got the black paneling with the gray accents. It's got the heavy-duty rub rail with the stainless insert, pop-up cleats. Got the integrated dock lights and nav lights. It's got the full cladded arc. Take a look at the back. You'll see we got the extended swim deck, the fastback option with your speakers. Boat's equipped with underwater lights. Has the ESP package with the 32-inch center tune, upgraded fuel tank. Powered by the Yamaha 350. Guys, this is a freshwater boat with 35 hours. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. You'll see the floor plate on this boat is your swing back. You've got your full-size loungers up front, drop-down armrest, plenty of cup holders throughout the whole boat, upgraded stereo. You've got your speakers up front. You've got your speakers in the arc. You have a subwoofer powered by an amp located under here. Boat has in-the-floor storage. You've got the raised helm with the Garmin front and center. Garmin will show you all your depth finder, chart plotter, all your switches, RGB lighting, digital throttles. Again, upgraded stereo. Guys, great boat available here at MarineMax in Greenville. Again, 34 freshwater hours, ready for a new owner. Thank you. Have a great day.